What's up everybody? Ron Siever here at SGS HQ, and today we're going to go over about a few tips on how to care for your mini garden system. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is going to be the tank placement. Now ideally, I know you'd want it in your kitchen so you have easy access to your herbs, but the best place to keep your tank is going to be in a window with sufficient lighting to grow your plants. If you don't get enough light indoors, we do have LED lighting options available. Now one of the problems you may experience with your tank is going to be algae growth. This is a natural occurrence that happens due to the excess light getting into the tank. Very easy to deal with. All you're going to need is a mag float, scrub brush, or even a clean paper towel to be able to wipe it right up. After wiping it up, you can just do a simple water change and that'll clean your tank, get you back to the clear water. If that's not enough, one thing you can do is a simple DIY, make your own background, block the light getting into the tank, and that should limit the algae growth. Another reason that this grows is actually going to be due to phosphorus levels, which takes us into what plants you should keep in your tank. So this system is mainly designed to grow herbs, and some of the herbs that you may choose to put in there are actually very good at sucking the phosphorus out of the water. You can see here the ones that we are using here are main one basil. It's very good, but you can also use parsley, dill, fennel, and all of these grow extremely well in the system. We recommend growing 3 plants in there to keep your system filtered and the water clean for your fish. As far as fish go, we recommend keeping it to smaller fish that are not going to outgrow your tank. Here at our shop, we like to stick to mollies, guppies, swordtails, and betta fish. Now if you do intend on keeping fish that are going to get larger than this 2.5 gallon tank, like our goldfish here, just be prepared to move them to a bigger system as they grow. We hope you enjoyed these basic tips on getting started with your mini garden, and we hope you get growing soon. We'd love to see what you guys have in your system, so send any photos or videos to us to be showcased on our website, and if you have any other questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.